So now we start next part where we see the product which did not work or for which the growth was negative. So let's start by understanding the product for which the growth was negative, which means the number of sales or this number of products that were sold decreased. So what is the percentage decrease in the number of hair oil bottles sold from 2015 to 16? 15 to 16 I need to see hair oil. Now let's check that 14 to 12. So the number of bottles that were sold decreased. Decreased by what? 2. But decreased over what? 14. It is quite similar to your percentage increase. Earlier we saw it increased by 2. Now it is decreasing by 2. So same thing will come in the numerator. But it decreased by 2 over what? Over the initial value, and the initial value was again 14. So 2 by 14, which is nothing but 1 by 7. So 14.28% decrease is something that you can say for hair oil from 2015 to 2016. Let's take one more example. What is the percentage decrease in the sales of curd from 2014 to 2016? Let's go with curd 2014 20 and 2016 it's 14, decreased by 6 over 20. 6 over 20 is 3 by 10, which is nothing but 30%. So again we saw it decreased by 6, but it decreased over the initial value, and the initial value is what? 20. So it decreased by 6 over 20. 6 is what percent of 20? 6 is 30% of 20. So I can say 30% decrease in the sales of curd from 14 to 16. Let's take our next chart, which is price per bottle or packet. What is the percentage decrease in the price of the curd from 2014 to 2016? 2014 curd, let's see what was the price, 40, and 2016 it was 20. Decreased by 20. 20 over what? 40. 20 is what percent of 40, which is nothing but 50%. So again we saw, we can say initial value was 40, final value was 20. If we subtract final value minus initial value, the increase is 20, but the increase of 20 is over the initial value of 40. So the difference upon the initial value, and I see 20 is what percent of 40? 1 by 2, or visually you can say it's 50% decrease in the price of curd from 14 to 16. So I hope you got the concept of percentage decrease in this section. So earlier we studied percentage increase, now we study percentage decrease. What is the only difference between the two? The formula is same, final value minus initial value divided by initial value. But in this case the growth is reducing. The products which are sold are reducing. In the earlier case of positive growth, the number of products that was sold or the price of the product was increasing. Now the price or the number of products are decreasing, and that's why it's called as negative growth.